I scanned everything that I had, and it's right there on the camera.
Okay, perfect.
Do you see me taking something on camera?
I got stuff in my bra. I'm like, okay. Cosmetic products.
That is where this ends. To understand how it got there, we rewind about 7 minutes. On February 9th, 2025, officers in the central United States responded to a Walmart shoplifting complaint. One suspect insisted the self-checkout camera would prove her innocence, a common misconception about how arrests actually work. The arrest scene is not a courtroom. Exculpatory evidence is presented through counsel, not shouted at the officer holding the handcuffs.
So our office is going to be down that way in the other entrance. You guys want to come with me?
Yep. We're going here.
I'm not going here.
Because I'm telling you to?
I was just scanning
You're not free to
everything
leave
that I
right
had.
now, okay?
But I'll scan everything that I have.
Okay. So how about that ID? I've asked you like 3 times now.
No, it's cool. I'm gonna give them my ID, but I scanned everything that I had, and it's right there on the camera.
Okay, perfect.
Do you see me taking something on camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I don't.
I've been following you guys for like 2 hours. I've seen everything that you've been shoving in those bags.
Those Walmart bags? Or regular grocery bags?
The Walmart bags.
Let me see your receipt. You got it right here. I'll give it right back to you. You're going to total the tally up of everything that was in your cart. If it matches up with your receipt, you'll be good to go. Well, I'm talking to you.
I was on that, and you can see that I scanned everything I put in my hand. Did I not?
That's not what this is about. This
What is it about?
The stuff that you guys concealed in the bags.
No, not you guys. Because you don't got, it ain't nothing on my body, nowhere. And the stuff that was in the bags is the stuff that I paid for.
I don't know what to tell you, man.
Okay, well then show me.
Like I said, if everything matches on your receipt, you'll be good to go.
Whether it match on the receipt or not, because you didn't get them rings off of me.
Oh, yeah, I'm saying, I
camera.
said you would be good to go. I didn't say she would be good to go. Yeah, like what, $200 and some worth of purchases on your receipt?
I don't know how much it was. I just paid for it.
Okay. All right, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Who are you talking to?
Both of you.
You can show me on camera. Can you show me on
It'll all be submitted in the storage
No, because
department.
I didn't check anything.
You guys put stuff over in your bag.
You saw me.
Whatever way you want your hand, let me know.
on there.
Whatever is going to be more comfortable for you. No, I got you. I'm saying, let me know. I'll be chill with you.
Can you show me where I took something off of here?
I can't, man.
You can because we're back here on the camera.
You all right? Okay.
It will all be in the.
Have a seat over here for me on the bench.
But I didn't take anything.
Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back for me.
Because I want to see what's on the camera.
Don't do this.
Can I see what's on the camera? Because I didn't take anything.
Okay.
Can you
Look,
don't?
look. I'm not gonna be rough with you. Turn around and put your hands behind your back, okay?
But I want to see what's on the
We
camera.
were cool with you the
because
whole
I'm
time. I
standing
could have
right
had you.
there.
I could have had you handcuffed from the moment I seen you, okay?
But I didn't take anything.
You had $700 worth of items in your cart, and your receipt was for $200 and something.
Did
you were
you see
pushing
me-
the cart out. Yes. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't grab me like that.
I'm gonna grab you. You think you're
not.
free to go? You're not free to go.
But okay, I know that.
Put your
but now
hands behind your back.
You're trying to be rough, though.
I'm not
let
trying
me
to be
put my
rough.
hands behind my back.
Then put it back there.
Let my arm go.
Put your hand behind your back. Thank you.
Well, you're not welcome.
That's okay.
And I will be contacting the Lord because everything I scanned, I paid for it, and that is on camera. And you ain't got me on camera taking shit.
Okay. Having a lawyer is your right.
I'm not talking to you. And you know, that's too tight. Can you loosen it?
I can fit my finger in between there. I can fit 2 fingers in between there. It's not
I
too
didn't
tight.
ask you that. It's too tight for me.
I can fit 2 fingers in between
I
that.
can't squeeze my hand through there. I'm saying, can you loosen it though? 'Cause
Have a
it's
seat
tight
over
on
here
my
for me.
wrist. They taking us to jail, and they don't got me on camera taking shit up out of the store. But they can't show me nothing on the camera. And the only thing that got on the right is some earrings
22 on 2.
that they took off of her.
Oh, yeah.
My car's all the way at the other end. If you want to take one out, I'll take them. Okay.
Can you refund me my money, please?
It doesn't matter.
Because I paid $40 for my items.
Alright.
She
Come with me.
I'm gonna have to call you back. And then she's sitting right there and hear me talking to her. And y'all don't have me up camera taking nothing.
You got anything else on you besides just your cell phone?
Yes.
What else you got?
It's in my bra.
What is... Okay.
I'm sorry.
Look. I'm not going to go in there and get that.
I just
Okay.
didn't want to do that in front of everyone. But
I understand that. Okay. Anything, I guess what I'm getting to is anything that's going to poke me, stab me,
no.
anything like that. Okay. Your phone's coming out.
okay.
You're not going to sit back there and make phone calls. You can have your nutty bar. All right. What do you have? What's in your bra?
And I also have my vape in my pocket. This pocket.
Okay. And okay. Have a seat in my car for me.
Are you clear?
The other lady just advised me that she has a bunch of stuff in her bras as well. So, I mean, Scroggins is going to have to come out regardless. Yeah, I mean, that's what I was going to do. I mean, I've never had a female that had something hidden in her bra, so I was going to ask you.
I would just wait. Just have Scroggins
Okay. So retail theft over for her. I don't know what she all has in her bra though, so I don't know if it'll end up being over or under.
Everything from this point back is procedurally significant. Now we rewind it with a legal lens. The detention became legally formal the moment the officers stated the suspects were not free to leave, invoking Terry versus Ohio. Reasonable suspicion was supplied by the loss prevention associates roughly 2 hours of direct observation inside the store. When the receipt totaled about $200 against a cart worth about $700, reasonable suspicion elevated to probable cause. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, a custodial arrest is constitutionally permitted even for minor property offenses supported by probable cause. The verbal resistance and pulling away authorized soft, empty hand control under the objective reasonableness standard of Graham versus Connor. The officer's narrated restraint, quote, "I'm not going to be rough with you," becomes contemporaneous evidence against any future excessive force claim. The two-finger handcuff check, verbalized on body camera, defeats the most common Section 1983 tightness allegation before it can be filed. Miranda versus Arizona requires a warning when custody and interrogation coincide not merely at the moment of arrest. Handcuffed in a patrol vehicle and facing specific questions about concealed items, the suspect was plainly in both custody and interrogation. The officer paused, administered the warning, then re-asked the questions, preserving every subsequent admission for use at trial. United States versus Robinson authorizes a full search of the person incident to a lawful custodial arrest, including containers within reach. But Fourth Amendment bodily privacy jurisprudence, reinforced by nearly every department policy, requires a same-sex officer for intimate area retrieval. Watch each of those standards executed in real time.
Yeah, I'm gonna Mirandize her real quick because I asked her, I'm like, do you have anything else on you that you shouldn't have? And more or less as like a weapons and stuff like that. And she goes, well, I got stuff in my bra. I'm like, okay, let me be more specific. Weapons, anything that's gonna poke me, stuff like that.
She didn't say anything, but I'll just have her make sure she checks everything.
Okay. And then I'll start doing the booking for her real quick. And then I'll have to get the receipt and all the stuff. We call Scroggins out when she gets here. I can finish doing the stuff inside. So what's gonna end up happening is I'm gonna have to get a female officer out here. More or less, I was reading you this because I I'm trying to figure out what you have in your bra. You already admitted to having things in there, but you don't want to talk to me, so the female officer will come.
No, I will talk to you. I just don't want to do it in front of everyone.
So you, okay, so let me re-ask this. After I read your rights, you understand them.
Right.
Having those rights in mind, will you talk to me?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, okay. So what do you have in your bra?
Some cosmetics products.
Cosmetic products. How much are we talking in here? Like how many items are we talking?
I'm not sure.
Okay, a lot. 10, more than 10? Probably. Okay. Okay. So that's what's going to happen. A female officer is going to come out here. The female officer is driving the wagon anyway, so that'll kill two birds with one stone. And we'll have to get those items out of there. Okay. All right. And we'll have to get those items out of there. Okay.
The primary officer declined to reach into the brassiere himself and radioed for a female colleague the legally and tactically correct decision. Concealment inside clothing is not merely evidence of intent. In many states, it is a statutory aggravator that elevates the offense to a felony. By waiving her rights and volunteering the count of concealed items, the suspect supplied the prosecution's most important evidence herself. The primary officer earns a B+. The arrest is procedurally clean, tactically restrained, and evidentiarily airtight. Both suspects earn low passing grades. Physical compliance was correct. Waiving Miranda and arguing the case on scene were not. The department earns an A-, reflecting institutional training in Miranda sequencing, handcuff verification, and same-sex search protocol. The lesson for citizens is direct. The arrest scene is never the venue to prove innocence. Silence preserves it. Speech surrenders it. The lesson for officers is that verbalized restraint on a body camera is a legal shield more durable than any report written after the fact. The lesson for retailers is that concealment combined with coordination can produce felony charges without any single item crossing a dollar threshold. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.